strategy to multiply fractions and whole numbers. You're going to come across maybe a number problem that sounds like this. Okay, the florist added 1/3 of a cup to each vase. Florist is a person who takes care of flowers. So the florist added 1/3 of a cup to each vase. How much water did the florist add? And what that looks like is, since there are 3 vases, and in each vase the florist added 1/3 of a cup of water, how much water did they add? Okay, we're going to look at it 2 different ways. We're going to look at it with pictures, and we're going to look at it with equations. I'm going to start with a picture. Okay? I'm going to draw 3 vases. What's difficult about drawing 3 vases is now I have to show 1/3, right? So let's say this is I'll divide it by like this. Okay. Can everybody see that I've divided my vases into thirds? Okay. Let's say the florist is going to add 1/3 of a cup to each one of these, right? How many thirds did the florist add to all of the vases? Yes. 3/3. You can see 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. Who said oh? Who said oh? I love it. Good, wonderful. Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down. How I used a picture to help me solve this problem. Okay, so because the florist added 1/3 of a cup to each of the vases, I have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Wonderful. Okay. Question. The answer is 3/3 in this case. Let me show you how that looks with just an equation. Okay. Does anybody know how to write 3 as a fraction? Dominic? Nope. As a fraction. Three out of 1 is 3 wholes. Okay? So what if I was to multiply 3 wholes by 1/3? You guys, before, when I said you do not change the denominators when you're doing addition and multiplication, right? Thumbs up with that. When you are multiplying, you do change that, you multiply the denominators. So in this case, what I have is I multiply only the numerators. 3 times 1 is 3. And then I multiply the denominators. 1 times 3 is 3. And in this case, I come up with 3/3. Thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down. How do you feel about the equation that I've done here? I want to go back. Where did I get the 3 ones? Do you remember? That's 1, right? 1 over 1 is 1, right? So if I want to do 3 wholes, I change this to 3 over 1. That's 3 wholes. So what I did, I took this 3 wholes and I converted it into a fraction. So this is the same thing. 3 wholes times 1/3 equals what we came up with was 3/3. Okay? Yes, sir.